Ji Assalamualaikum dear students, in this video we are going to learn how to use different commands in AutoCAD. Okay, whenever you draw anything in AutoCAD, at first you have a little bit knowledge about command and shortcut keys that is used in AutoCAD. At first we have line command, as you see on the screen also. Okay, for line command the shortcut key is L enter. For example, if I want to draw a line of 10 feet, then simply type L enter, click on the screen, give it a direction whether it is top, bottom, left or right, and then give a specific value, that is 10 feet. 10 feet, enter, escape. Okay, so this is how you will use the line command. Moving to the next, we have offset command. Okay, so the shortcut key for offset command is O enter. For example, if I want to take an offset of 9 inches, simply type O enter, 9 inches, enter, then click on desired line and drag it anywhere on the screen. Okay, so this is how you will use the offset command. Basically, offset is the distance between these two lines. Okay, are you getting my point? Furthermore, we have the command that is rectangle command. The shortcut key for rectangle command is REC, enter. Okay, so if I want to make a rectangle of 4 cross 4, simply type REC, enter, click on the screen, D enter, 4 feet, enter, again 4 feet, enter, and click on the screen. Okay, so this is how you will use the rectangle command. Let's take another example, that is how to make a rectangle of 2 cross 2. Simply type REC, enter, click, D enter, 2 feet, enter, again 2 feet, enter, okay, and click on the screen. So this is how you will use the rectangle command. Moving to our next, we have trim command. As the name indicates, it will remove the extra line. Let's take another example. If I will draw a line, okay, now use the trim command. If I want to trim the upper portion, remove the upper portion, and simply type TR double enter. It's not single enter, it's double enter. Okay, TR double enter and click on this line. This will remove the line. Okay, so again, if I want to remove this lower portion, simply type TR double enter and click on this one. Okay, so this is how you will use the trim command. Moving to our next, we have extend command. As the name indicates, it will extend the line to the other point. Okay, so let's take another example. Simply draw a line here. Okay, now if I want to extend these two lines to this point, then what I have to do is to simply use the shortcut key, that is EX double enter. Okay, click on this line, it will extend to the other point. Again EX double enter, click on this line and it will extend to the other point. This is how you will use the extend command. Are you getting my point? Okay, and last we have circle command. Circle is as simple and easy. Simply type C on keyboard and drag it and give it a value, that is anything, that is I am just giving 1 feet. Okay, so this is how you will use the circle command. So basically these are the top 5 commands. Almost in every drawing we use this command in AutoCAD. Okay, so I hope you guys like the video. Keep watching, keep supporting. Thanks a lot, thanks a million, thanks a bunch.